You're probably wondering, what the heck is this? Well, it's a custom, one-of-a-kind Nitro Ducted fan. This thing's impressive. Totally custom made by Jeff's buddy Randy. Anyway, I'm going to let Jeff tell you a little bit about what's in this plane. All right, Jeff, walk me through, what the heck am I looking at?
So it's a 90 size, old school ducted fan, designed completely by Randy Sciuto. He's got three versions. He's got a 90 size, a 46 size, and he's got a twin. This one has a 81 K&B in it with a Dynamax fan unit.
Okay.
Old ducted fan. It's got a redundant battery backup system in it. No retracts in this one, just kind of kept simple. But Randy does, he does all the fiberglass pieces, makes all the fiberglass pieces, the fiberglass inlets. He designed all that stuff.
How much does this thing weigh? It looks heavy.
No, it's this is right at 12 pounds.
Okay.
12 pounds is what it weighs. Now, for an electric, yeah, it's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
But for like a Nitro ducted fan, it's not bad. This one's right between 11 and a half, 12 pounds. What this one is.
She moves. I mean, she can get going. Once she gets up and rolling, she was moving.
The smaller one's a little quicker, but they fly really well. They're super stable.
That is awesome. Appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.